Today I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of my Transition Patrol 2018. So I was one of the people who ordered it pretty much as soon as it came out. The annoying thing was we did have to wait from August till November to get the bike. There was delays with them coming into the UK. But it was well worth the wait. This was a GX build, but has since been upgraded to X01. Just the derailleurs, I've left the chain and the cassette. We've also upgraded to joystick analog carbon bars, a 35mm clamp and a joystick binary stem, and at the same time as we've done that, we put a Hope headset in. We've got our Transition mud deflector. A nice gentleman at the NEC show gave me that. We've also got Halo Vortex wheels. I've got another bike which I did upgrade the wheels to Hope, the Pro 4 Enduro. I much prefer these wheels, they're much hardier, they look nicer, the free hub sounds awesome. You can buy custom stickers which go all around the rims. I even put Halo valves in, obviously they're tubeless setup. We've got the HT AE05 pedals. I was always an advocate of being clipped in, but I've switched over to the dark side and I'm getting used to it now, so it gives you a bit more freedom, and obviously the option to bail out, which I haven't had to use too many times, thankfully. One of the first things I done is got rid of the Code R brakes that this came with, and I upgraded to the Hope E4 with 180mm rotors. The bike came standard with 180mm rotors, but I do like the Hope brakes. The performance of them is pretty spot on. You ain't going to find anything better than that. So this bike comes with the RockShox Lyric fork, 170mm of travel, and I did put an MRP cartridge in there just to give myself a bit more of a leeway so I don't bottom out all the time. And it comes with standard with a Fox DPX2 float rear shock, and I have changed the volume spacer in there, but apart from that it's all pretty standard. Still running the Maxxis Minion DHR and DHF tyres, which I find pretty good for what I use it for. It's mainly my bike park bike. Go to Chicksands quite a bit. Try and go to Bike Park Wales 2-3 times a year. So yeah. The only other thing I done is I upgraded the plunger type dropper lever remote to the RockShox One By, which matches up nicely with the shifter, so you've got a similar position, very similar feel to the shifter, and also you've got quite a big paddle to get hold of, so if you're on bumpy terrain you can easily grab the dropper remote and pop the seat down, get it out of your way. So yeah, there is my Patrol.